Hi guys, my name is Jazz, and today I'm going to be showing you my take on the $2 chicken nugget meal. Thank you Joshua Weissman for the cool recipe, and thank you Tiny Temper for these beats in the background. Let's get started. First we need the ingredients. I decided to use tender chicken breast fillets from Asda. Now we have to open the packaging. Once we've got the chicken out of the packaging, we need to cut it. I decided to use this pink knife I found in my drawer. Count how many cool transitions I do in the comment section below. Now, time to cut the chicken into chicken nugget pieces. I forgot to record the ending part of that transition. Sorry guys. Now, time to make the marinade. I'm using whole milk for this. I hope no one from my family watches this video. Don't worry, I cleaned it up. Oopsie. But the show must go on. Don't spill it this time. Good job. Now we need our spices. I will leave a link to the full recipe in the description below, so if you want to make this, you know how. It's all coming together. Unfortunately, the chicken did not want to slide off the board. I had to put them in separately. That was one smooth transition. Well done, me. Now we have to put it in the fridge and let it settle. And we're back. I'm using Himalayan pink salt because I love it. Get me some for my birthday and I will not complain. We've also mixed that with a bit of self-raising flour. Now, we gotta put some more spices. We want it to taste nice, don't we? After choosing the appropriate sizes, I'm going to put some garlic seasoning in here. And I'm gonna put some paprika seasoning in here. Now, let's pour these into the main mixture. But we're not done yet. We've also got to add a bit of sugar, and I did not spill any sugar on the floor while making this. Did not happen. Now, let's get our marinade out of the fridge and onto the table. We've got some work to do. While I figure out what I need to do, Tiny Temper has a new song coming out in the very near future. Keep a lookout for it. I'll tell you guys when it releases. First, I decided to put some flour on the tray to prevent the chicken from sticking and making my life way easier in the future. Now that that's done, I need to get some chicken out to show you guys what happens next. marinade in your flour to make it an easier and much better experience. Put some of your marinated chicken into the flour and cover it up nicely. This is when I realized that I needed to get the chicken out of the marinade to show you guys the next step. Bear with me for a second. Now that I've got the chicken out of the marinade, it's time to show you guys the next step. After putting the chicken in the flour, you want to put it back in the marinade. Just like so. Put it back in the flour. Coat it properly in the flour. You don't want no half chicken nuggets now, do you? Once you've coated it in the flour, you can put it on your tray and get ready to cook. Once you've got all your chicken ready, you need to fry it in oil.
Let's just hope I don't deep fry my GoPro by accident. My camera keeps acting up after on charge, but I just wanted to show you guys that it has actually selected brown. I've already flipped them, but you know, we're getting pretty close now. You can see that's what was not flipped before, so this one's in trouble, so it keeps on flaring back to the on-top side. I'll ignore the fact that my battery just dropped by 1% while it was on charge, but I'm going to show you guys when I take one of these out, because this one looks like it's nice and cooked. So don't forget the fact that that's probably just all flour, zero chicken. But is this one cooked? No, that's good. It's ready to go. This one, okay, so it's balanced. Some not so, some very so. That one, yeah, okay, that one. A bit of a scrap there. This one is almost done. Ooh, look at that. Cook that side. Side's cooked. Say pretty balanced. So, now to go and let's get another batch ready. I was just going to do a snap transition, but I want to see you guys. I want you guys to see me. We've got three of these left, and then we're going to move on to the ones that really look like they'll come out well. And I just want to show you guys me putting these ones in, they're like bigger pieces. And also, I need an incentive to learn how to do this properly without doing it in a way that's going to like hurt me. I forgot I left a chip. So these will be the last three before I start professionally going at it. That wasn't too bad. That's a bigger one. And I need some more flour on it as well. Okay, let's try this without it sticking too much to me. Alright. Just wanted to show you guys that. These are the last three before we move on to professionally done ones. So, I'll see you guys then. Alright, we're on the nice looking ones now, guys. So, I've got how much butter? 92. 2, that should be good enough. Let's go in reverse chronological order. Okay, we're starting from that one. I'll put it up on screen, don't worry. These are the last ones, guys. I have a feeling these are going to be some of the best ones. Just going to coat these in flour as well, since, you know, well, why not? They're the ones remaining. They need it. That wasn't a great one, but let's move these around and make space. Give him some space, lad. He's open. I'm listening to Chris and Lee, that's why I'm talking football. Go back while. Yeah. Oh wow, you got a full book. Oh, that's your homework.
All we have is fried chicken and cheesy chips with salad and salt and lettuce, beetroot, tomato, hot water with a lemon slice, barbecue mayo dog with salt. That's what I'm making, by the way.
Oh, you're doing it? Fine. Okay, I thought you were going to get me to do that.
Oh, of course not.
Why don't you just move the plate close? The thing about all of those is that they all basically just scrap. I'm going to try one piece that actually has chicken in it. Might be hot, but hey ho, for the science of it. Chicken's not too chewy. Seasoned, in my opinion.
I'm the food critic, not you.
Say that again?
I think it is crunchy. You're gonna take the onion out.
You said you're a food critic.
Oh. It's crunchy. Sorry that it's nice. At least it's not that bad.
Are you good?
I don't taste any spice.
Okay. I'm gonna give you this one. This one looks appetizing, to say the least.
Oh no! Sorry.
Crunch.
Too much. I think you use too much oil.
That's not how it works, but okay. So critic, go, go, go.
Final note for now. This is an enemy to dentists.
I love the French.